An MP turned vindictive on being denied favours. Another threatened coal firms, and a minister's crony sought a bribe from a top government functionary for him to stay on. 7 days, 10 sensational expose, and Times Now's coal expose continues tonight.
7 days, 10 sensational exposés divulging the deep rot in the coal ministry. From bribes to political pressures and gross violation of norms. The revelations have put the spotlight firmly on 7 Racecourse Road. But today the Supreme Court dismissed a plea to make the Prime Minister party to the probe.
The Coalgate scam hearing in the top court lasted for 1.5 hours. The Supreme Court has dismissed outrightly the petition by ML Sharma asking for the Prime Minister to file an affidavit in the Coalgate when he was the Coal Minister of India.
Now your channel puts out 4 fresh investigative reports that throw up more questions for the government. Revelation 1. Former Congress MP Chandrasekhar Dubey was using force and threatening contractors to stop implementation of contracts.
Give a government bungalow to me and mining contract to my men. That was Chandrasekhar Dubey, former Congress Member of Parliament from Dhanbad, whose threats and complaints to the Prime Minister's office against former Coal Secretary PC Parakh forced the Coal Secretary to take the unprecedented step of resigning from the service.
The same man then turned vindictive when denied favours by making false allegations against the CMD of Coal India.
It's reacting to complaints such as these by former Member of Parliament Chandrasekhar Dubey on what was happening in the coal ministry that former CVCP Shankar now says that the Vajpayee regime was more effective in tackling corruption, not so the UPA regime. So the question is that will the Manmohan Singh government go down as one that was unable to tackle erring ministers?
The next part of our investigation shows how former BSP MP Narendra Kushwaha sought favours from the northern coalfields and when turned down, sought the chairman's transfer.
वर्तमान समय में सांसद थे तभी तो मैं कार्यकर्ताओं की बात वहां कहा भाई मेरी मजबूरी थी कि लोग यदि मुझसे आवेदन कर रहे हैं कि मुझे आवंटन होना चाहिए कोयले का, मेरी जमीन निकल गई है, मुझे नौकरी मिलनी चाहिए, तो उस जिम्मेवारी के प्रति मैं यह काम किया, जरूर कहा होऊंगा, लिखा होऊंगा, पत्र भी लिखा होऊंगा, फिर लिखूंगा.
And the last and final part of Times Now's investigation blows the lid off the extortion racket in the ministry, where a man linked to former Coal Minister Karya Munda sought a bribe of rupees 10 lakhs.
Unsigned documents such as these with the Prime Minister's office shows that a man who was close to Karya Munda actually demanded 10 lakh rupees from the CMD of Coal India Limited on behalf of the former Coal Minister. The question is that if these documents were available with the PMO and even if they were unsigned documents, why was no inquiry initiated against the former Coal Minister?
Rampant corruption, unhindered flouting of norms and unchecked payoffs. 100 pages that expose the muck in the coal ministry and raise questions about the government's inaction over the years. Bureau Report, Times Now.